So if you want to fix your hook, you have your hook, this is one side of it, and then you also have your needle and your thread. Use a very thin thread, okay? Then you locate where you want to fix it. Sometimes you want to fix it, you want to fix two hooks, so meaning it's going to be sideways, but in this case I'm going to fix one hook. So I'll trace the middle of my work and make sure when I fold this on it, it can meet the second side of the hook to make it fix. So with that arrangement, I'll have to fix my hook here, this place, okay? I'll be fixing it here because this is 13, so I'll find the middle of 13. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the 7th one will be where I'll fix my hook. And then with that too, I'm tracing it to the second row, okay, not the first row, to the second row. So my hook is going to be here. So next thing I'll do is that I'll just fix my needle somewhere around where I want to fix my hook, okay? Then I'll tie a knot at the end of my thread and onto the wick, onto the main bag, okay? So I'll pull it, okay? So I have the end of it, so I'm going to tie this to just one on a thread here, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. This is the way I do mine. Maybe some people or others may do it a different way, but this is how I do it mine. So after I tie a knot several times to secure my needle thread onto the work, I'll have to take my needle, the edge of my needle now, okay, and then put my hook to where I want to fix it. Then I'll go inside this hole, okay, of the hook, and pass it through my work and bring it from the back of it. I'm just trying to secure it, so I'm going to pass it through that side several times just to make sure that it is very firm at one end. Then I'll move to the next end. So I'm just going to rotate till I make sure this side is very firm. Then I'll move to the next hole until all the four sides of the hook is fixed firmly to the back. So I'm satisfied with how this one side is fixed. And also you will not want to make the thread very big at this on the edges of the hook, so that if you want to magnet it to the second side, it will be preventing the two sides to be touching each other. So make sure the thread is not that thick at each side of the hook. So as if I want to move to the next hole, I'm going to pass my needle through this particular bead. Okay, so I'm going to pass it through it in this way and pull it out. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure I meet this side. Okay, this side. So I'm going to put my needle into here like this. Okay, so now it's going to be between my hook opening and the thread under it. So you just have to do it several times. So as I feel like this place is also very secure for me, I'll just pass through the bead under this one to make sure I get to this side. So you continue like that until you finish securing it to your work. So after you fix one side, you go ahead and fix the other side, and you'll be getting something like this. With that, you'll be able to close it. I hope this video is very helpful to you, so that you'll also be able to fix your hooks to your back. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.